Good evening, viewers. My name is Raz, and today I'm with Ayush, and he's from 3 to 5 batch. He has completed 1 month in American Institute, guys. So today we have some questions regarding, his life, his career, how he will make his career in the future. And the second thing, he joined American before 1 month, so I would like to ask some questions regarding American as well as the different things of the society, and he is going to reply. So let's start. So hi Ayush, how are you?
Sir, I'm fine.
And how's your life?
My life is going fantastic because I'm currently learning English and I'm getting good at learning English day by day.
So actually, you have been not coming for 20 days. So how did you spend your 20 days actually? Because in 3 to 5 batch, I haven't seen you here. So how was your time and how did you spend that? Can you elaborate something about your vacation? How did you spend?
I was gone for 20 days. I was gone for 20 days to my home, which is situated in Allahabad. And on 13th June, there was my birthday, which I celebrated with great pleasure. And I was playing with my cousins, talking to my parents, and that's all about my vacation.
So I heard, are you fond of playing cricket?
Yep, I'm a part. I like playing cricket a lot.
Oh my God! How many hours do you play in a day?
Like if it is a day, like my friends are calling me, then I will play like more than 4 hours. If
Oh,
it,
hours.
if it is Sunday,
So what is your favorite subject? What subject do you like the most?
I like physics the most because physics leads us to reality.
So actually, suppose that you are at American Institute and you get the chance to lead the batch and to organize the podium class. How will you manage your student? And suppose you are in the class right now and you are going to enter there. So how will you manage your student? For you have to make me understand within 1 minute.
Like firstly I will go and teach my student about the topic or subject. After I am done, then I'm gonna take a test like a oral test, and there is a main thing that I'm not gonna beat them. If I will beat them, then that will be a problem. And I would tell them a fact every day, because of that fact their knowledge will be strengthened every day, day by day. And I will ask him what did he do in that day, and that helps me to know what is this child doing in his life, and that was what I will do.
That's very nice. So actually, last seminar you participated here and you got the I think fourth rank here. So do you have any grudge against to our teachers in American, like you didn't get the first prize or the second prize, or you are working on your skill in a future that you will get the first position in an American Institute in upcoming seminars?
Yeah, I didn't got the any like trophies, but I want to tell you guys a thing, that if you have any trophies, it means that you are good in that subject. But if you don't have any trophy, it doesn't mean that you are bad at that subject. So there's no problem, because I've got many certificates, many trophies in my life. So there's no values, because after some times they will be of no use.
Yeah, a very fantastic reply. So I used to tell me one thing, each and everybody, we are here in American because they are coming here for not learning English. They want to improve their communication skill as well as they want to be a public speaker. So like we have some dream to future. I want to be something, Hannah. I have something to do something in the future. So what's your plan? What do you want to be and why?
I wanna be an astronaut because I'm quite interested in space science, and I am eager to know what is happening out there, or it is real or it is made by God, or what is it? Like, what does this mean? If it is not present, how will it happen our life? So I am so eager that I wanna be an astronaut so bad. That's it.
So actually, I don't go too deep about the science, but I want to ask to you, like most of the scientists they said that there is no God which can be exist in this universe. So according to you, I don't know that you have much knowledge about the like in spirituality or not, but what do you consider about that? Do you believe in God or not? because you are going to such a area that people, especially the scientists, they don't believe in the God, because they are saying that God doesn't exist. So according to you, so God exists or not?
Like if it I am a part of a puja, I will definitely believing in God. But as proof say that there is no proof of God, so that time I won't believe. Like I won't say that God doesn't exist. I will say that there is no proof of God existing. And second thing, if a God is existing, there is no problem. Like a person is believing in God and a person is not believing. So the person who is not believing can't say the person who is believing that God is not real. His belief, not yours. That's not wrong. That can be either right or you can be wrong.
Okay, that's very very nice reply. So let me tell you, like if we are here in American and we are just telling about any topic, right? So you define well, actually, because you have a much knowledge about the English and all. So what are your weaknesses? Because you haven't told to us about your weaknesses. Tell us what's your weaknesses.
If I talk about my weaknesses, I clearly don't know about it, but in some way I did know. Like my most weak point of life is that like scribbling, like doing a thing very fast. Yes, that's my weakness.
What is your favorite shot in cricket? If you are on the bat.
If I am on the bat, like my favorite shot, there are two types. Like one is point drive and one is sweep shot.
What cricketer do you like the most in cricket?
As you already know, I like Virat Kohli the most.
Virat Kohli. After winning the World Cup, how are you feeling now, actually, as a spectator, or as a we can say, like, we are fond of watching cricket too much. So what do you think about that? We won the cricket, we won the World Cup. So would you like to speak something about?
Secondly, firstly, while watching the match, I was getting a heart attack that India will lose. But on last, because of God's sake, it happened and India won. So I was full of pleasure and I watched the match till midnight. And after that, I slept with happiness. And on next day, I heard the news that there is a storm in Barbados, so India team is not coming. I was quite sad. But after 2 or 3 days, and the team came and with trophy, they celebrated a festival with all present and everybody was smiling.
Eventually, I had a good time with you, and it was nice conversation. Last, I want to ask one questions, because we can say on my YouTube channel, the viewers, they are watching us. So those who are beginner, or they are just struggling in English, what do you want to say about them? How they can improve their English? Because your English is too good now. After coming here, before that also you had a good knowledge in the grammar. So what do you want to say about them? Do you have anything to tell them that they can improve their English by the YouTube channel? Please tell me.
I wanna say that thing to all my viewers that if you wanna learn English, like anything in life, you just have to focus on it. Like you don't have to think that I can't do it. You just have to think I can do it, and one day you will achieve that goal. Either you are in that situation or not, but your thinking can lead to your success.
Chalios, thank you very much, and you are a good guy. And if God, bless in the future, so obviously I'll meet you again here, right, with the next topic. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye, and take care of you.